Good afternoon. Thanks for joining us here on 9 News Plus. I'm 9 News Weather Impact Team Meteorologist Keely Chalmers with a look at your forecast for today. Certainly a snowy start to your Tuesday. The official total as of around noon at DIA was 3.3 inches, and the snow moving out. We had that snow really start to taper off in the metro area shortly after noon today. And the big story now weather-wise will be the cold temperatures, the cold settling in this afternoon into the evening hours. Overnight, temperatures are going to drop down into the single digits in the Denver metro area. You factor in the wind chills, not going to be too breezy, but any type of winds, that's going to drop those temperatures. It's going to feel like it's in the negative single digits tonight into tomorrow morning. So the big deal will be with a lot of moisture still left on the roadways. Temperatures not going to get above freezing at all today into tomorrow. So any type of moisture that's left on the roadways will refreeze. Of course, black ice is a big concern as we head into tomorrow and the morning commute, which will still be chilly, and those roads that are not treated with any type of de-icer could be slick with black ice. So certainly something to keep an eye out throughout the day today and into tomorrow morning. Let's go ahead and take you outside right now for a look out over Denver, where the roads not looking too bad right now. Traffic running fairly smoothly. Again, the interstates taken care of pretty well by the city crews, and just those side roads, some of those not plowed, so that snow, if there is snow on the roadway, not going to melt. Temperatures not getting above freezing. 22 degrees right now at DIA. The winds out of the east-southeast only 6 miles per hour, but factor in even those light winds, it feels like it's 14 degrees right now at DIA. So it's the wind chill that is really going to impact how it feels and just how cold it feels outside throughout the day today. We did have a winter weather advisory for the metro area earlier today. That expired at 11 o'clock this morning. Still have a winter weather advisory, Colorado Springs, south toward Pueblo, and out to Highway 50 towards Lamar through 5 o'clock, where we could see another 1 to 2 inches of so we could see a total of 3 to 6 inches, but again, another 1 to 2 inches additional accumulation as that system drops from the north to the south, and we just have some lingering snow showers down there. So here's a look at some of the snow totals we got as of about midday today. Some of these might go up in the next couple of hours when we get more official totals in, but Genesee 4.3 inches, Longmont 4 inches, Arvada 3.3, Boulder 2.5 inches, and the official out at DIA as of noon 3.3 inches of snow. So that was right in our forecast target area of anywhere from about 2 to 5 inches, and we were kind of right in the middle of that. Here's a live look at our radar, and again, you can see really north of the Palmer Divide that snow dissipating, and we have a dry air mass settling on in, but Colorado Springs, South Pueblo along I-25 down toward Trinidad still have that snowy conditions, winter-like driving conditions down there, and again, that will continue until about the 5 o'clock hour. So if you're planning a trip south on I-25, expect to run into those winter-like conditions, snowy conditions until about 5 o'clock this evening. Here is a look at live radar of the metro area, and actually getting some breaks in the clouds as well. Those clouds will break apart as we head into the overnight hours, which will add to the cooling effect and the even colder temperatures by tomorrow morning. So taking a look at our futurecast, putting our forecast into motion here, continue to get those flurries in the high country, and again, Colorado Springs south along I-25, but we have those clouds clearing in the metro area. Clear skies overnight into tomorrow morning. So we are looking pretty clear as we head into our Wednesday morning. Temperatures will gradually warm up on Wednesday. We'll get into the mid to upper 30s by tomorrow afternoon, still well below our normal high of 45 degrees. But we're talking about a high today, 20 degrees below our average high for this time of the year. 20s across the plains, teens, 20s in the mountains, and that's those are our current temperatures and our forecast highs in the mid-20s too. So we are going to maybe warm a couple degrees from here, but that's about it. So we're still calling this weather impact day, and that is just because of the cold temperatures. We got the snow, still snow on some of those side roads, still impacting traffic because the below freezing temperatures not allowing any of that snow to melt other than the friction from driving over it. So we're going to get those below freezing temperatures throughout the day today, all night into tomorrow morning, and that will create some slick driving conditions over the next several hours. Again, really throughout the afternoon, the evening, overnight, and into tomorrow morning. And the big concern will be that black ice with those freezing temperatures and the melting precipitation with the friction of the cars going over it today. Tonight, it's going to be just cold. That's the big story tonight. Your forecast low 4 degrees, but again, factor in the wind chills, west-southwest, 5 to 10 miles per hour is going to feel like it's in the negative single digits. And again, with an overnight low of 4 degrees, the last time we were below 5 degrees was January 16th of last year. So it's been a while. And again, it's going to feel even colder than 4 degrees out there. Temperatures in the single digits and teens across the plains for overnight lows. Tomorrow, mostly sunny. We will start the day off very cold. Don't let that 37 degrees fool you. It is going to be, again, in the single digits when we start off the morning or pretty close to it. And with some sunshine, we'll gradually warm to a high of about 37 degrees. So we're looking mainly 30s across the plains, maybe some low 40s down across the southern plains tomorrow. And then look at your 7-day forecast. So again, another chilly day. We got dry air moving in for tomorrow. Thursday morning, another system moves in, bringing us likely some morning snow. It's looking light snow at this point, so we're not calling it a day, an impact day at this point because it doesn't look very impactful, but of course we'll keep tracking this storm and change that if necessary, because if the snow coming in the morning could impact your morning compute, but at this point the snow seems light, so we're not calling it any sort of weather impact day, just being on the lookout for some morning flakes. Temperatures certainly on the chilly side once again at 31 degrees for high, overnight lows back down to about 10 degrees, getting up in the mid-30s on Friday, a little bit windy out in front of another system that arrives Saturday night to bring us a chance for some snow Saturday into Sunday. Saturday, the warmest day of the week with a high of 4 degrees, and again likely some snow Saturday night into Sunday morning. Not looking impactful this time, but this again, we will keep monitoring that as we get closer to the weekend, and then we clear out, mostly sunny on Monday with a high of 35 degrees. That is a quick look at your weather on this Tuesday afternoon. Thanks so much for joining us here on 9 News Plus. I'm 9 News Weather Impact Team Meteorologist Keely Chalmers. Have a great day.